Hi everyone and welcome to our channel Coffee and Coffee. My name is Joseph, or you can call me Coffee Joe. Now let's enter the final segment of our show, Coffee Tips and Tricks. Today we're going to analyze in detail the Robusta and Arabica coffee beans. Robusta is a perfect coffee for milk or vegetarian beverage lovers. A good quality Robusta will not lose flavor when adding milk, making it great for lattes and iced coffee. On the other hand, note that the quality of the Arabica bean diminishes when served cold or with creamer. It is best served hot as black coffee and perhaps brewed with the pour over or drip coffee technique. Enjoy! My friends, I hope that you enjoyed our show. If you did like it, please do not forget to click on the like button below and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you again next week. Bye!